Good morning, guys. Check out what Mike got finished yesterday. I'm gonna go take a piss. Still not even 9 o'clock. And I worked hard, so yeah, I gotta go back to sleep after. Wow, check this view out. I'm so proud of what I've done. Really starting to look good. No, back and relax. Still gotta get a few more hours. I'm properly awake now. I'm gonna go get something to eat. First, I wanna say good morning to the guinea pigs. Wait. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Got some pants on. Gonna get some to eat. Put some water on the boil on the inside using black magic. Let me show you what I'm gonna do today. So yesterday I did a bunch of clearing up. Still gotta fix this little area here. There's some garbage there. I just gotta get the last stuff done here. There's some stuff I missed, but other than that, I've taken out all the stuff that grows in between the cracks up until this point. So today I gotta finish the rest of this and just clear it up a bit more. I already did most of that work yesterday. Just remove all these weeds here, and then down here there's some more weeds. And I don't know, maybe we move that pile over in the corner, I'm not sure. And then yeah, just remove more weeds. We gotta empty all this stuff in here. Oh, a spider is set up here. And yeah, we gotta empty all this stuff out. Same with the container, gotta empty all that out. Same with the garage, gotta empty all that out. Remove some more weeds here in the cracks. And then finally over here, just, I mean, this is gonna be some work. Look at these tiles. Yeah, I gotta remove all the weeds here and down here as well. It's basically what I'm gonna be doing today. Yeah, all the way up until here. So that we get to a point where things look like this. Right? This is nice. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just took a shower. Now I'm sitting here eating some rolled oats with milk and sugar, and some green tea with lemon, sugar, and milk. It's not my favorite tea, but hey, it's tea. Okay, so I just finished like 2 minutes ago. Check out what I've done. I've organized everything here. Just removed all the weeds as well, all the spare dirt and whatever else. Everything is nice and in order. Put some tools over there, some stuff over there. Cleaned up to the best of my ability here. It doesn't look as good here because of moss. Yeah, just went through all of this painstakingly. Just, I mean, there's still a few tufts of grass as we get over here. This I'm gonna redo tomorrow. It's not perfect. There's still a bit left, but I don't have any more energy left. because I spent my last energy over here in front of the house, just removing the worst of it with a shovel, and also like rake, or what is it called? It's some kind of an instrument to like get most of this stuff out here on the edge of the curb. Yeah, I've really just been preparing this part here for tomorrow, so it'll be easier. But yeah, I've got quite a bit done. We still have to move the stuff from the garage and the container out. But I think I've done a pretty good job here. We're moving along nicely. And dinner's almost ready. I'm so ready. Put all the tools here that I've been using. Oh, most of them. Guys, I'm so hungry and exhausted. I just ate. It's basically chicken curry, Danish style, with rice, made by Kiki's little sister. She's only 15. She's doing a good job here. Quite impressed. I gave her some props too, like, hey, good job, girl. You know, not a lot of young girls her age know how to do much of anything, so because she can, I just felt like giving her some props, and I'm just watching some with Jason. He just loves dinosaurs. Anything to do with dinosaurs, he's all about it. Also, I got an appointment for the eye doctor. Finally, I'm gonna be able to take care of the stuff I got going with my eyelids. It's so good. It's quite a bit later. I'm helping myself to the second serving of chicken curry with rice. I just wanted to wait until everyone had had some. Now they have. So I'm just having this, and then I think I'm gonna head down to the tent soon. It's half past 5, and I woke up smoking a cigarette. And look at this. Lasse was so happy. He also gave me this. Very nice. I did not expect that, because he's providing food and shelter and just being a nice guy in general. A little bit of money just makes it a lot better. I can save it up for solar panels or an electric unicycle or something.